Tipra mothani borok kabungma tui himboto khlaimani bisingtui kaitham RD blog deputation rojaka Tipra mothani engei aroni bisingo Rajesh Tripura ni tipangbai Roysabari RD blog Dumburnogor RD blog tai Gonganagar RD blog o kaitham blog ni video ni thani haste phani bagui memorandum yapari lekha o himboto khlaimani bisingtui Tipra motha party thanmungrok ni bisingo dati khlai BC election tai by election khaijani 125th amendment chol khlaijani tai Tiprasa ekono dati implement khaijani sanlai no o salni kotor himboto Tiprasa lukurokni hamkrai khaijani bagai o sanmungrok no belaikhe doraku khrinyo buagrani kobok mungbai o sanmung tui haste grangai deputation roma bai baksano o kaitham blogo bahai deputation rojaka nei sai khanaraka TTAADC ni a charimung bedekni thamungserphang adong Rajesh Tripura
tini kaitham dabi tinta dabi ni tini deputation address governor of Tripura through block development officer kaitham dabi ke village committee election dakti makhainai village committee election tabok jorate ongyakho village committee election paimani mayor paimani 6 bosor 7 bosor kaitongkha boni loge tongnai Tiprasa ekor je recently government of India by agreement ongmani obo dakti implement makhainai 125th amendment bill pass makhainai 125th amendment bill ojaga tongo chini borokoma borno confusion je 125th amendment bill tamotong mode administrative power executive power financial power the district level of financial position no review khainero jaga power tongnai 6th schedule autonomous district council ambai
agarok ba kabang mom hai BC election eba ge deputation rojaka amro katam tagai implement khajiga tam bai khaja tamo kabulu tu tam bro
obo to সরকার se sine rajyo sarkar sini to dabi khaini rongthong rajyo sarkar tamni bagai election khaya hoitong awon baina sini sanbong je village committee election dakti khaye local area local tolago kaisaro smoothly samong none rongthong development samong local area chini tabo elected chairman member kre je local ni issue no tiye local je kaisaro constitutional body agi botongo tabo kering tongo election kering bagai abona chini sanmung abor rajya sarkar se sinai jeto election khane power chini edisiro kre chini agre election khane power hinkai state government
acha to bob blog tini deputation
Roysabari RD block tini Gonganagar RD block Dumburnogor RD block Raimabili block committee Tripura motha leka hambai social media sung tini block deputation romani obosona video asas rakha je chini tinta demand tongmani chin Tiprasa ne bagai o demand tinta demand na bo high authority sending khainai bor honai bo wish khayo je chini Tiprasa ni o je demand success chungtum beleke kha ka hambai bo yachok choka obo chungbo khak sango chini o demand bobagrani tidul mumbai chini tini oro phai paithang phai ma chini Rajesh Tripura bin tidul mumbai ko sunai tok tok le program phai maka chungbo khak sango bo program je chini demand obo chung daiti deitin manthum
BC election ro kaba kadungna salrome khaijaga tan bai khaijaga amrok su busung kabon
BC election ne bagai chung to demand khlai kaparno khlaina ne bagai ge borok sago officially je chung order maya chung to kunu ngya chung norong ni demand no chung high authority posai